This video will show you how to add a stream. First, click the Water Features tab, and then click Stream. Left-click to place points, and this will create the shape of your stream. Right-click to place the last point. To change the fill material, click this image, and it will take you to a large selection of different fill materials. Make your selection, and then click OK. Use these sliders to edit your stream, including depth, depth taper, water level. You can also adjust the flow rate and edit the edge style. Click Edit Flow Path to determine the direction the water will flow in. Check this box for the reverse direction. Click this image to change the material of your rock border. Make your selection and then click OK. Deselect Add Rock Border if you don't wish to have one. Use the slider to change the rock size, or you can manually input the size. You can remove sections of border by clicking this option, and then left-click on the section you wish to remove. Left-click again to restore it. If you have uneven terrain, the Height Painter tool can be really useful to flatten the area where you want your stream to be. For additional help with the Height Painter tool, please see our Height Painter video. Now just place your stream over the top of the flattened area, and you have a nice flat area for your stream. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out ideaspectrum.com for more videos and information about our software.